Research on anxiety tells us that we have often gone overboard with kids and given them that safe place to go. Like, here's your safe place, here's your take a walk, you can escape. And so that's what they tend to learn, is they tend to learn that fight, flight, or freeze where the brain goes, but they don't learn what to do when I feel that. And so if you're at 30,000 feet in an airplane and you all of a sudden have that feeling, you're not going to get a pass to go take a walk. All right, so at some point we have to start teaching kids two things. One is management, which is taking a walk, okay, or using a weighted blanket or whatever is a good thing. But then two, intervention is, here's what you do, here's the tools to help you to manage that anxiety in the moment so you can continue to move forward. So management can't come without intervention. So when I uncover, if you say the determining factor is more of a social emotional issue, you have to learn skills to do that on your own. So I have to know that if I'm in 30,000 feet, I know when to do my figure 8 breathing, I know when to do chair push-ups, I know when to do all of these things, I know when to do mindful techniques, I know what to say to myself, I know what the scripts are because I've been taught them. And then I can sit in that plane and I can look at the seat next to me and I can say, okay, anxiety, you want to come with me today on this journey? All right, we'll do this together, but I'm going to be the one in charge. And that's really powerful because otherwise, if we just manage it by giving you a lot of accommodations, you will always want those accommodations.